Welcome to another powerhouse day at the mine, where precision meets pure strength and engineering excellence takes center stage. Today, we're diving into the world of Interkat SA mining, where two legendary machines, the CAT 374D and CAT 365C Excavators, show what it truly means to handle heavy-duty operations with unmatched skill and control. These giants aren't just digging or loading, they're performing a perfectly choreographed dance of power, precision, and productivity. As the engines fire up, the ground trembles under the weight of these machines. The CAT 374D, equipped with a massive CAT C15 ACERT engine, delivers close to 500 horsepower of pure digging force. Every motion is deliberate. The bucket scoops deep into dense rock and coal, lifting tons of material as if it were nothing. Within seconds, it swings smoothly and drops the load into a waiting Mercedes-Benz or MAN truck, ready to transport the material to the next stage of operation. This is efficiency in motion, heavy machinery performing at the peak of precision. Right beside it, the CAT 365C complements the 374D perfectly. Slightly smaller but equally fierce, it runs on a CAT C15 diesel engine producing around 425 horsepower. Its hydraulic system is incredibly responsive, giving the operator full control even in the toughest conditions. You can see how smoothly it transitions from digging to loading. No wasted movement, no delay. Together, the 374D and 365C form a perfect duo, moving material faster than most fleets could dream of. The facts behind these machines are just as impressive as their performance. The CAT 374D weighs over 140 tons, capable of moving up to 5 cubic meters of material per scoop, while the 365C follows with around 3.5 cubic meters per pass. Both are engineered for reliability, from reinforced booms and sticks to durable undercarriages designed to withstand hours of non-stop work in the harshest conditions. Their fuel efficiency systems and load-sensing hydraulics ensure maximum output with minimum energy waste, something that truly sets CAT machines apart. One of the biggest advantages of these excavators is the operator experience. Inside the cab, comfort meets control. With advanced monitoring systems, ergonomic joysticks, and air suspension seats, operators can stay focused for long shifts without fatigue. The noise and vibration levels are reduced dramatically, and real-time diagnostics help prevent downtime by alerting teams before maintenance is due. These details may sound small, but they're what keep operations running smoothly day after day. But the real power here isn't just mechanical, it's teamwork. Watch closely and you'll see how the excavators and trucks communicate through rhythm and timing. As one bucket empties, another truck is already reversing into position. The operator's coordination turns what could be chaos into a seamless flowing process. This is what separates top-tier mining operations like Interkat SA from the rest. It's not just about machines. It's about mastery. Every load that leaves this site represents precision planning and world-class execution. The CAT 374D and 365C prove that great machines, when handled by skilled professionals, can transform raw earth into measurable progress. Their performance under pressure reflects decades of CAT innovation, built for endurance, designed for excellence, and trusted in some of the toughest environments on Earth. As the dust settles and another round of trucks leaves fully loaded, the power of these giants becomes crystal clear. This is more than mining. It's a showcase of what human innovation and machine power can achieve together. If you enjoyed this incredible display of heavy machinery in action, don't forget to like, share, and comment your favorite moment below. What's your pick? The CAT 374D's raw strength, or the CAT 365C's flawless precision. And make sure to subscribe to Mega Machines in Action for more high-performance mining, construction, and industrial engineering videos that inspire and educate.